Good afternoon everyone, I am Arshia Vora studying in 3rd year at IHM Ahmedabad, and let's take a tour to IHM Ahmedabad, how it looks like. So on my right hand side, as you can see, it is a lobby area. It is for basically for our front office practicals, and on my left hand side, let's go here. We have a small temple at college itself. As you can see, on my right hand side we have our principal's office, and on my left hand side we have our administration office, and here we have our conference room where all the kind of meetings takes place, our faculty members discuss here, and as well as the interviews takes place here. And rest we have our faculty members office. We even have a library. Let's go inside, and I'll try to be quiet. Let's go. As we can see that we all are preparing for their, some are preparing for their viva, some are preparing for their interviews, and this is one of the restaurants in our college, which is known as Avesika. So right now the operations are going on, so we need to be quiet again. So let's go inside. And this is our bar area where all the mocktails are taking place. And let's see how it goes. So we are here in Advanced Training Kitchen, which is also known as ATK, where all the third years do their practical. And let's see how it goes. So this is another restaurant, Prayas. It is just adjacent to Avesika, and first year and second year take their practical here. They are right now doing their table setup. And this is QFK kitchen, where the meal for the students and as well as for the faculties are prepared. Let's go. So the briefing takes place right here, where the faculty member explains the dishes and everything, how we are going to make it, and all the explanation and the briefing takes place. Let's move forward to the kitchen. Here are the burners and everything. We even have huge utensils which we use for the quantity kitchen. You can see here, there are huge. And there also a door adjacent to the mess. And this is the student dining hall area where we do our lunch. And we get our lunch from the college itself, where the second years who are in QFK, which is quantity food kitchen, they make the food and serve it here. Let's go inside. And one more thing, we also come here when we have a free lecture. We also have a common TV here just for the hostelers, which is operational during the hostel hours, which makes it easier for the food to travel from here to there. And this is the computer lab where the front office practical takes place. Let me show you around. here we have the housekeeping lab and as well as the laundry lab. Let's go inside. The second years had their practical for flower arrangement, and here are some few of the flowers which are there. Let me show you around and let me show you all the machineries which are available here. All the F&B linen which we get from the waste plant as well as prayas are washed, dried and ironed. Now let's go and see the bakery of the first year and as well as for the third years. And here we are in the first year of bakery practical class, and let's see what is making today. What are we making today?
Today we are making pizza. This we are preparing a pizza base. Over here we are preparing the sauce. Over here there are tomatoes for the sauce and the vegetable cutting.
Thank you. And in the first year bakery and as well as in the third year bakery, we have a commercial hour where the students make their products, and here it is. And this is BTK, which is Basic Training Kitchen for the first years, where they practice their food production practicals here. Let's see what is in the menu today. Good afternoon. What is in the menu today?
Good afternoon. I'm myself Vatsal Pinawa from first year, and today we are making cream of tomato, roast chicken and stuffed tomato.
Thank you so much. So now we are on the third floor where all the theory classes takes place. And let me show you one of the classrooms here.
Tips of 1 is in base, 2 is 3 is 4, 5, understood? These are
Now here we are at auditorium where all the cultural, the events related to the college, everything takes place. Let me show you. And as you can see there, that is a very big screen where if a video is being played or any seminar is taken, it is shown there. Now, I would like to conclude this video by saying that welcome to the hospitality world, and IHM Ahmedabad is the only college which is a central government college in Gujarat. And the admissions are open from 2024 to 2025. Thank you.